Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into this video. And I'm gonna pretend like she didn't see the paper in the bottom. Maybe it's just for extra vitamins, but let's go.
Almost a full day.
Okay.
I'm gonna take peeled garlic. Exactly what we want.
What is with all that garlic? Is she trying to run some vampires or something? Why do you need all that garlic? Breath gonna be stinking for days.
This is my pasta sauce. It's just soup, but
Okay.
you really want it to be nice and liquidy. This is sort of like, have you ever had penne al vodka? No. This is like that, but without vodka. I'm gonna take some ham.
Ham.
And we're just gonna go like this because you need protein in this.
Whatever. Oh no, she did not. Listen. I don't care. I did a video before where somebody fed the dog and then used the hand to put right back in the food after that. And someone made a comment, oh, someone never had a dog. I never had a dog. But even if I did have a dog, I know what it means to be sanitary. So I'm not going to feed the dog and then put my hand back in the food, especially when I'm not the only one eating it. That's nasty. So I don't care what no one has to say. That's my opinion.
So pasta's great, but you need proteins. Now, I'm going to take these are my
Disgusting.
favorite. So you're just going to find a little hole on top, rip them open completely, and then you just set them in like this. Now,
She didn't even wash them.
Yes. My grandmother taught me.
She didn't even wash them. You don't know where these things have been. You don't know where they're coming from. So you're just going to put all the germs in your food.
That you never wash mushrooms. And the reason she taught me this is because she said mushrooms absorb water.
You can still slice them and cook them.
Water. Don't want to do that. Okay, put that right in there. Those look beautiful.
Not cook. You can still slice them and wash them, then cook them.
I'm going to take my signature cheese. Everybody loves some cheese. I'm just going to go in the top. Cheese here. That feels good. Buddy, do you want some cheese?
Here we go again.
And now we just need to add just a smidge.
Here we go again. What is with this nasty lady? Stop feeding that dog and putting your hand right back in the food. I don't care if you brush that dog's teeth 10 million times a day. That's disgusting. I don't care. That's disgusting. Even if the dog is clean. Obviously, the dog is clean. The dog is in the house. But it's not sanitary. Would you be cooking and then put your hand in your mouth and then put it back in the pot? Well, nasty people would. But people who are not nasty probably wouldn't do something like that. It's the same thing.
Of water. What I do is I take a cup and you'll cut the one.
Oh, I want to conk you. Watch out again. Oh my God. Y'all, if I ever get a heart attack, it's because of these people on TikTok. Just know this.
Try not to pour too much anything else but these. Okay, a little more water. And this is just one of my favorite, easiest dinners. I love a dinner. No more for you. You've had enough. I love a dinner that you can just literally dump in a pan and pull out when guests arrive. Yeah. It makes
Make me sick.
All I'm missing now is just a little bit of pepper and have a game plan. And I also really like I don't need a recipe.
You just kind of mix it.
I use a recipe once, you know.
You just made this up.
I just made this
This
up.
is made up.
This is made up, and it's good. It's got garlic and tomato sauce and mushrooms and whole.
It does not have tomato sauce. It has some kind of soup. That's not tomato sauce. It's not even red. That's some orange stuff.
Garlic and pepper.
Perfect. Pop it in.
And you just take this. Now, one thing I like to use, this is just a trick again, when you're using hands like this, sometimes I get a little nervous that they're going to fold. And this is a sturdier hold arm. So I'm going to take this.
I wish she would pick up that thing and everything just plop right on the floor. Because nobody needs to eat that. The dog don't even need to eat this.
Pan, put on And say goodbye, I'm gonna put it right in the oven. It's just gonna cook and it's gonna be amazing. Ooh. The oven feels nice actually.
Lying behind.
Wow! Wow! Look at this. Okay, remember I put a pan under it so that it won't spill? Look at this! Okay, so it's gonna be really
It looks like crap.
into one of these.
Look at the big old pieces of garlic sitting in there. She didn't even take the time to chop the garlic. Nothing. My gosh.
These mushrooms, are you ready?
That's probably just about the only thing that's cooked.
Yeah. I sure will. Look at this. I like to put them in half because nobody can eat a whole mushroom like that. You can't shove the whole thing in your mouth. And if you could, you certainly couldn't swallow it. Wow.
Those mushrooms are as dry as the day they were bought at the store. Those things are not cooked. Well, y'all, I just want to pluck her right in the forehead.
Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look, remember I've got whole garlic chunks in here. And noodles? This looks incredible.
It looks like crap. It looks like crap. Oh my God, they make me sick. I hope y'all like this video. Until next time, peace out.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.